Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone and sensor we can find built into the display. So let's look our device and let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, to be honest, it doesn't work fast. And honestly, I use a lot of smartphones with faster sensor. I don't know, there is maybe a problem with my model of Samsung. Maybe in your case it works much faster. But you have to tell me in the comment what you think and how it is in your case. But as you can see in my case, it doesn't look good. But there is the one good point that for the few tries we can say that it's reliable because it can recognize my fingerprint every time. Okay, I think right now it looks better, but before that I was a little bit shocked. Okay, so as you can see right now it performed better, but it still sometimes struggle with some problems. So that's how the fingerprint sensor works in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.